Hi friends, this is Bingo, a very nice dog. Usually, when we see Bingo, we sing his song.
And Bingo was his name-o, B-I-N-G-O.
But today, we're not singing the song because Bingo heard a very strange sound. Listen, did you hear that too? That was so strange. Bingo doesn't know where it came from, but he thinks something in the living room is not quite right. Let's look around together. Let's follow Bingo while he looks around. He's sniffing, he's searching, he's trying to find every clue. I see something on the floor, something on the carpet, and something on the couch. Oh no, there's a pillow on the floor. Tell me, should pillows be on the floor? No, pillows belong on the couch. Let's say it together. Pillows go on the couch. Look how nice! Bingo is putting the pillow back in its place. Well done, Bingo! Okay, now this is really strange. A shoe on the sofa? How did it get up there? Shoes don't belong on the couch. Shoes go on the shoe rack or by the door. Let's help Bingo put the shoe back in its place. Wait, did you hear that? Listen, there it is again. If the shoe is in the right place, what could still be making that sound? Bingo is on the case. Let's follow him. Oh, look at that! There's a book open on the carpet. Books don't belong on the floor, right? Wait, listen. Did you hear that? So that was the mystery noise. The wind was flipping the pages of the book. And it also blew the pillow to the floor and pushed the shoe into the middle of the room. Great job, Bingo, and great job, friends! When we keep our things organized, our home feels happy and cozy. Thank you for helping Bingo today. You were amazing detectives. Do you want to solve more mysteries with Bingo? If you do, shout with me, B-I-N-G-O. Don't forget to click like for Bingo and subscribe. See you next time.